Hello buddies, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. This is Deepak Bodeti. So many of you don't know what I am doing. So currently I am studying BTech third year in Computer Science and Design stream at SRKR Engineering College. So today's vlog is not a moto vlog, and we can't ride a bike because we don't have a bike at Bemaram here. So right now the time is 8:10 a.m. My college start at 9 a.m. So within 5 to 10 minutes we start to college because from my room to college around 1.2 kilometer. For that I will walk from my room to college. It's around 10 to 15 minutes. If we walk fastly, it's around 10 minutes. From morning section I have classes which is first is VDC, Visual Design and Communication class, and another is MOOCs. It is a NPTEL course. I also don't know where the class will be there. In the timetable it will be given in U block 405 I think, because after Dasra holidays this is the first day I am going to college. Little bit I am confused. I will call my friend on the way. Meet him while going to walk. Right now I started from my room to college. Now the time is 8:20 a.m. So within 10 to 15 minutes I reach my destination. So let's meet you. Time is 8:30 around. So I reached my destination, nothing but the college. This is my block. This is our department, CSD, Computer Science and Design. So for morning section we don't have a class here. We have a class at U block 405 room. So let's go. Right now I am going on the way to U block. So in the way, look who is here.
Hey guys,
So Ravan, introduce yourself.
so I'm Revant. I'm the buddy of Deepak. We used to be just like a lizards.
So
We
he
stick
is our
together.
CR in our class.
Yeah.
Our CSD third year CR. He has so much of
Yeah,
that
it's
science.
me.
So much of experience. From the first year onwards, he is our CR.
Actually, I wanted him to be here.
No,
but
no,
he
no.
made me.
I am not going to CR. He is only our CR. So what's the matter? Your dress? You looking like a new bride? Sorry,
What?
bride or groom?
What?
I'm not.
Are you making me weird, right?
Like a kotta pilli koduku.
And it's bridegroom, man.
I
Yeah.
don't know because I am not far.
No, actually, I wanted to attend the Deepak's marriage.
No, no.
But it had been postponed.
It's
I
a good
just
joke.
actually wanted to attend his marriage, but this guy has postponed his one.
It's good joke, man. So,
Not as good as yours.
what's the matter? Dasara is over. How you enjoy your Dasara holidays?
I didn't just wake, sleep, and again wake up. That is my schedule of the Dasra, and I just wanted to see how the classes goes. Actually, I'm
after
pretty
Dasara,
bored.
this is the first day and first class we are going after Dasara holidays.
So
So
I don't think so many
we
people
don't
will
know
come.
what our last class. I forgot the last class when it.
actually, I had pretty remembered because Adam has left us by the 9:30 only, by 9:30 a.m. So just for
telling these all things in vlog. If Madam will see.
no problem, she will probably enjoy it.
So this is our class U405. Our CR man is going to open the door. So let's wait. So this is our royal entry because of this man. So this is our class. This morning section, our class will be held here only. Yeah. What is this? This is yours? This is yours. I can't believe. I won't believe you because
See the video. What?
in Saturday I didn't come to college. I don't know what you do.
Including me, there are 6 members, man, that day.
I don't know. That is yours only because you comb your hair like. Hey, this person's hairstyle is like a BTS something called
One second,
Koreans. Yeah,
Ni hao. Konnichiwa.
this person has a multi-talented man. Hey, what's that date? You didn't change the date.
Hey, I had just
When the 23rd night? This is 10th month, man. What is this?
Why don't you change? Actually,
I am not the CR. CR is on his duty.
I had no choice.
I don't know where the chalk piece is.
So then, let's do it. Erase the whole one. No need to write. If you had a problem and you don't know how to solve it,
I will show to Sars and Mams this video.
definitely show it.
This guy is an irresponsible man. But he is only our CR. No one will be. No.
Dear viewers, just say to this guy, as I am very irresponsible, tell him to
Yeah,
take the CR.
jokes apart,
Take the
he is
CR
very
course.
responsible
I would be very happy.
and he is very genuine in his duty. Be careful, man. Laptop is dead. Get your laptop.
Yeah, but my laptop is off. I did what
Today we don't have a lab and all. So what's the reason why you take your laptop?
to make a show in front of girls.
Oh,
Actually, it's Deepak's idea. It's Deepak's
no,
idea.
it's not my idea. I am very so far to the girls. He is the culprit. He is always talking to girls when I call in evenings after the class. It's every time he is busy only because he has his girl. Can you reveal the girl name? Okay. In future, we reveal the girl name. Don't worry, we go to his marriage. After BTech, next thing is his marriage. Say anything.
Cheese.
Okay, let's come.
Yeah.
Another person is here. Sudarshan, introduce yourself. Hey, here is your side. This little man, he is going to say, Raman, what did you do? Why is he signifying me?
What did I know? अबे शर्मा क्यों हो रहे हो?
Okay, he has a very serious work, so that's why.
He's not talking. I think this guy is going to do Mount Rata after the Dasra.
Yeah.
So let's meet him when he ends his Mount Rata.
No. When our Kodabai came,
Then let's introduce him too.
yeah, because when he came, he is very sober active.
Of course.
Now the class is over. Where we are going?
Canteen.
Yeah.
So canteen.
going-
Why we are going?
for canteen to buy
This
noodles.
person,
this guy.
this person take his
Noodles.
lunch. I take my lunch. This person, this guy is the
Just
culprit.
only that shit guy didn't brought the lunch.
We will finished our lunch. We all are finished our lunch, and we do something new. Our new pelikoduku want some pics.
Hey guys.
So
For problem people.
I am the cameraman.
I'm the
He is
model.
Not
I'm
a
the model.
He is the kotta pelikoduku.
Yeah. I am the new bridegroom, newly wedded. And this guy is our broker. And this guy.
Who is this guy? Is
Prompt engineer.
not. One thing I can't understand
What?
in this topic, prompt engineer. Why did
ఎందుకు వచ్చాడు?
why did come the
What
prompt?
do I know? Actually, Harsha knows that.
To create wife for him.
Hey, already wife is there, man. Ravon, why are you filling the water? You don't.
Because afterwards you will ask me. For water 10 times in just a single class. Where should I be?
You are our water bottle. What not? You are our seer. Water boy. What not?
Hey, set me a girl, man. So that I
You
can
already
be a
have
boy
it,
too.
man. Hey, I don't know this guy. Guys, in before discussion, something went wrong for this guy, so we cut that. Now what's the plan? Where are we going?
खाना खत्म in
हाँ.
this class में सोना है.
Class में सोना
खाना खत्म हो गया ना.
और बोड़ा
He's going to sleep in the class.
This is the proof.
Yeah.
You cut this audio. I will kill the. I have support of CR, so I can do anything I want because he can manage.
I am the one who will say who are sleeping.
Yeah.
In this hot, scorching sun, we are going to our department. It's
Wait. This. What is this? Hey,
This
You
is
look-
called as donkey pose. The new step came, which is going viral.
hey. What happened?
He just given a joke. But
It's
if we had kept that joke in the YouTube will definitely ban it. Our video.
Okay. So, hey, these both are new couple.
Maybe.
Guys, let me know your comments. So this is the today's vlog. How do you feel? Let me know in the comment section. So last I show some about my department achievements. So if you like and share, subscribe to my channel Deepak Boteti and follow me on Instagram Deepak Boteti.